So it's typically estimated that the average level of testosterone has dropped by over 1% per year over the past 30 years, which means that the average level of testosterone has dropped by between 30 to 50% over the past 30 years. And so if you are a human with any level of intelligence and awareness, this is extremely alarming to you and is likely happening for several different reasons that we could get into. However, undoubtedly, one of those reasons is what's going into our mouths.
It's one of those delicious falafel hot dogs with cinnamon and bacon on top.
Now, this drop in testosterone is typically calculated by looking at two studies in particular. The first of which is this one, where between the years of 1987 and 2004, the average level of testosterone among men between the ages of 45 and 80 has dropped by about 1% per year. But the other study that appears to be even more alarming is this one, where between the years of 1999 and 2016, that the average level of testosterone has dropped by about 1.8% per year in men of the average age of 27, which seems to indicate two things in particular. One is that the drop in testosterone levels actually appears to be speeding up over time, and the second thing this seems to indicate is that it's actually affecting younger men to a greater degree when compared to older men, and at any rate is extremely alarming considering that it appears to be dropping by at least 1 to 1.8% per year across these demographics. Now, because this appears to be such a massive issue, if you've never had your testosterone levels checked, I would highly recommend doing so, just so you can have some hardcore data in your hands as to where your testosterone levels are at.